Hi guys, welcome back. So my name is Lisa if you're new here. Today I'm going to be making a fall dessert. I am all about fall, all about October and Halloween and just like everything that has to do with this time of the year. This recipe I actually found on TikTok. I'm going to leave her name down below to give her credit. She calls it pumpkin dump crunch cake. If you're not huge on pumpkin, you should definitely try this out because it barely tastes like pumpkin. It's not a super strong pumpkin taste, but it is delicious. It is so good. I'm actually impressed, and I'm definitely going to be making this again. So if you want to know how to make it, then keep on watching. So we're going to need sugar, 1 cup of sugar. We're also going to need pumpkin pie spice. I think this one I got at the Dollar Tree or Aldi. You also need pumpkin puree or pumpkin filling. And also we're going to be using evaporated milk. You also want a yellow cake mix, whatever you prefer, whatever your favorite is. I got this classic yellow cake mix. And we're gonna need pecans. You can get them unsalted or like raw or salted, whatever you prefer. And we're also gonna need 4 eggs. The last thing that we're gonna need is butter. I think 2 sticks of butter should do. So this video is going to be very self-explanatory. Pretty much you're going to mix all of the ingredients. So you're going to mix the pumpkin puree with the evaporated milk, the sugar, the eggs, and I think that's pretty much the filling part, if I'm not mistaken. So you're going to mix pretty much all of the ingredients together. We're also gonna need a little bit of the pumpkin pie spice. I think I did about like a tablespoon. You're also adding the sugar, and you can do a pinch of salt if you like to as well. Now we're gonna mix the ingredients very well because that's gonna be the base of this dessert. The consistency of this dessert is gonna be kind of like a pudding, but also kind of like a cake. I don't know how to explain it, but it's so good. I was definitely impressed, and you should definitely try this out. I think I'm gonna make it maybe for like Thanksgiving, and yeah. Okay, so now you're gonna need, your pan of choice. I picked out this glass one, and you're gonna grease it a little bit. You can use butter, you can use oil. I'm using this spray, so it's just like a pan coating spray, and we're gonna grease it real well. And now we're going to pour the mix in there. Okay, so this is kind of like the tricky part. Now we're going to pour the yellow cake mix on top of the filling. We're not gonna mix it, so you're just gonna pat it down on top of it, and that's what's gonna make kind of like the crust or the cake portion of this dessert. Trust me, like this is so good. Just pour it on top, don't mix it, just kind of pat it down a little bit, and it should look like something like this. Now we're gonna be adding the pecans on top of it. Do you call it pecans or pecans? I don't know. But you're gonna put some on top. If you don't like pecans, you can add something else. I don't know what else you could put in there, but yeah, like I enjoyed it, and yeah, so I made sure that I put a lot of it. And then on top of the pecans, we're gonna melt 2 sticks of butter, and we're just gonna kind of like pour it on top, and that's gonna make it crunchy and salty but sweet at the same time. It's gonna give it color when you put it in the oven. So yes, delicious.
One hour later.
This is the final result. So I do apologize, my lighting is a little bit poor on this video and in the kitchen, but look at this. Look at this dessert. Like, this looks so awesome. You can put some ice cream on top if you're eating it warm, and then with the combination of the ice cream, bomb.com. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give me a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye bye.